Did you know that blue eyeliner can make any eye color pop? That includes blue eyes as well. You can wear it instead of a black eyeliner to make your eyes look edgy. And today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways of using blue as a liner. So if you're ready, let's begin. Using the Rare Beauty eyeshadow primer, I'm going to first prime my lids, and the brush that I'm using is from Real Techniques. Now I'm going to be using a blue eye pencil by ColourPop in the shade Floater. I'm going to use this in my lower waterline as well as lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect. One, because I'm going to layer this with a black eye pencil later. And I'm also going to smudge this out with a flat shader brush until it's smoked out and there's no harsh edges left. Take your time to do this until it's completely smoked out and there's no harsh edges left. Next, using the Bare Minerals Black Liquid Liner, I'm going to pull out a small wing and line my top lash line. Now comes the part when we will start layering. I don't have blue eyeliner, so I'm going to be making my own by using some eyeshadows. And the palette that I'm going to be using is the Tropical palette by Doe Color. This is how you make your own eyeliner. First, I'm going to powder this eyeshadow and take it on a separate plate. And then I'm going to use some micellar cleansing water, just a couple drops, and I'm going to mix in with that powdered eyeshadow. That's pretty much it, my friends, and that's how you create your own colored eyeliners. And I'm going to pick this up with a nail art brush because it's fine and nice, and it's especially easy to layer with this. And I'm going to use this blue eyeliner now to layer over the black eyeliner that I just used. And to balance out, I'm going to be using a black eye pencil, and I'm going to layer this over the blue eye pencil that I used in my waterline. To finish up, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. The one that I'm using is the Tartelette. I'm so in love with this mascara. It applies beautifully, and the chances of smudging is minimal with this because of the way the wand is designed. Absolutely love this. You're welcome to add false lashes with any of these looks. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different looks, so I'm going to just use mascara. And here is the first look. There's something so beautiful about layering eyeshadows or eyeliners. It gives that beautiful ombre of shades and makes your eye color pop. For the second look, I'm going to start with a highlighter. Of course, I'm going to be using my collaboration with Ofra. This is called Flash, and I'm going to simply saturate my lid with this. And then I'm going to soften the edge all the way up to my socket using a brush. I'm going to use this brown eyeshadow as my transition shade, using it at the socket area, further blending the eyeshadows out, so it almost looks like the eyeshadows are flowing and melting into my skin tone. As I did previously, I'm going to use the blue pencil in my lower waterline as well as lash line. Using the blue eyeshadow, I'm going to pull out a small wing in my top lash line using a small angled brush. I'm going to further smoke this out to soften it and make it a smoky liner. This is especially helpful if you have hooded eyes. When you apply sharp liners, it can interfere with the fold of the hood, and when you smoke it out this way, it's more forgiving. Next, using the brown eyeshadow, I'm going to diffuse the lower lash line further. Finishing up by curling my lashes. This is the Sally Hansen curler, and I'm going to apply a coat of mascara. I'm going to link all of the products that I'm using, so do check that out. Here's the finished look, smoky, sultry with a hint of blue. For the third and final look, I'm going to be using the Miss Metal Glittershock Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade AZTEC Gold. I'm going to be completely saturating my eyelid with this. And to make the blending easy with the transition, I'm going to quickly blend out the edges before it dries down. This step is optional. I'm layering it with a gold eyeshadow just so it doesn't crease. This is optional. If you don't have too many creases on your eyelids, you can skip this step. And then using the brown eyeshadow, I'm going to blend out the edges. So that is going to be my transition shade. Just like I showed you before, I'm going to mix in some blue eyeshadow with micellar cleansing water to make my own liquid eyeliner. And then using a fine eyeliner brush, I'm going to pull out a small wing in the outer corner, but I'm not going to be lining my entire lash line. And then using a black eye pencil, I'm going to layer over my blue eye pencil in my lower waterline, later smudging just the outer half with a black eyeshadow. To make this look appear more foxy, I'm going to extend the inner corner as well with the blue eyeliner. That's pretty much it, my friends. It's time to curl my lashes and apply a coat of mascara. If you plan to use false lashes for this third look, try to use just half a strip lash just in the outer corner or something that wings out, again to give you that lifted effect in the outer corner that gives you more of a foxy eye look. And here is the completed look, but I'd love to know which one was your favorite. So let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you plan to recreate any of these looks, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are all listed in the description box right below this video. And while you're there, don't forget to follow me. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.